I asked painters on Fiverr to follow my painting tutorial. Here's what I got. I feel sorry for the ones who's coming after this. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you don't, God kills a kitten, man. You don't want God to kill a kitten. Hey everyone, it's Squidmar time. So I'm currently painting up $2,500 of towel to give away to someone who I think deserves it. And we've been building and painting for weeks upon weeks for this next week's video. So again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out when we give it to a person who was forced to sell his hobby stuff last year. And I thought, why not incorporate the whole Fiverr thing, because I had so much fun doing that. So we're gonna go on Fiverr and see if we can find a couple of different painters to paint some towel for us following my YouTube painting tutorial. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting to see what we get. I guess let's just jump into it. So let's just search for miniature painting, see what we get. The first time when we did this, it was like 20 people who had miniature painting commission things, and now it's like 200 there. Let's see how many we have. We search for Warhammer. My god, it's 86. So it's about 300 different services compared to the 20 a year ago. And the level is so high right now. Because we're giving it away to someone who deserves a new army, let's just do the best we can find. Let's do some really good ones. Okay, so we have Zpx Mnt here. Amazing dude. So let's message him and see if he can follow a tutorial and paint us a figure. We have Compson Paints here. God damn, this dude could paint. Wow. Look at that Underworlds dude. This guy we're gonna message. Terse. This guy we actually used in the previous video we did, so I was really happy with that. And just look at the quality here. Let's message him as well and see if he wants to paint something. Oh, Gecko Painter, another one. This was my favorite from the previous video. This guy is a real professional, so let's message him. Guys, I found something really exciting. Abyssoul. This guy is, I know for sure, a Golden Demon winner. I think he won like 3 or 4 Golden Demons back in the days. And I mean, just look at the painting here. This guy is like a real beast. If we could find a Golden Demon painter on Fiverr, that's crazy. So I definitely want him to paint something. And then we have the Marcus Minis. Look at that, the colors here. This guy can paint for sure. So now we selected a few painters. I'm really excited about this because all of these are like world-class painters. It's gonna be some good stuff. So let's just go forward in time a few weeks and see what we got. We're back. It's been a few weeks and I'm really excited because I forgot which miniatures these guys were painting. They got to pick a towel model themselves, because it doesn't matter, because it's going to be given away anyway to someone who's going to get a huge towel army. Let's start with this one. It's from Zpx Mnt. I paid 40 buckaroonies for this, 40 euros. Let's see if this is on world-class shiznits. God damn, it's well taped. Moment of truth. So I can see from the opening here that I think it's the fire blade. Let's open up and see. God damn! Holy crap, this is good. Look at this, even got like magenta in the shadows. Skin looks amazing. Highlights amazing. Looks better than the ones that I painted. So I have got like 0 negatives to say about this. 40 bucks, I would say this is... I got more than I paid for, definitely. This paint job is amazing. It's gonna fit right into the army. And to be honest, that is one of the main things with this whole video. Like if the miniature doesn't fit in the army, it's a semi-disqualification, I guess, because it really needs to fit in the army. So nailed it, amazing. Paint quality is 10 out of 10. Let's do the next one. We got Marcus Klamaker from Marcus Miniatures. He painted his highest level, 250 buckaroonies. To be honest, this video is quite expensive to do, and I would not be able to do it without this week's sponsor. So I had a sponsor line up for this week's video, but it fell through last minute. But you know what? It's okay because I feel like I get to give back to the community in this whole video series, and that's something amazing. But if you want to pitch in a few dollars, maybe help out a bit, I have some amazing merchandise. This is one of them. I have a new design that I just published today, which is Retro's 40k Space Orcs. It's such a baller design. Also, if you want to pitch in a few dollars, you can do that on Patreon, another amazing way of just making sure that this channel runs. But if you don't, you just want to enjoy this video, do that, smash like, whatever, just have fun because it's a great video. 250 euros. I can't even remember what I sent him. Okay, seems incredibly well packaged. Ooh. Seems like he painted a whole unit, so I understand now why this was the most expensive one, because painting like 10 figures. Oh my god. Okay, let's see here. Nice color shift on the weapons, that's kind of cool. That's a nice addition. The colors really fit well with the scheme, so that's nice. Okay, so the miniatures look great, painted all of the details. It's not as well detailed as the Fireblade we had with the previous one. It didn't go as far with the highlights. All in all, the quality is great. But when I compare it to the previous one, which was just insane for 40 bucks, 250 for this felt a little bit lower. But I still don't think he overpaid, because again, I know how long time this takes. So he probably even has a really bad hourly rate, considering how many miniatures he painted. He's definitely worth the money. Okay, let's see here. We have Gecko Painter, Marco Di Vaiaro. Ooh, what is this? This side up. You even painted a cute little figure. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh, let's see, let's see. Oh, damn. This is nice. I mean, the presentation here, 10 out of 10. So this is the first bigger figure. He painted a Commander Farsight. Obviously, the paint job, as always with Gecko Painter, is fantastic. He did take some cool liberties with the yellow here. Had a little bit of a sort of white dot in the center, which definitely works with the theme of the army. The face is so detailed. Nice work with the glowing from the weapon. I also got sent something else in here. I have no idea what it is. Ah, it's the drones. This is so cool. Color is great. Highlights great. Really like the transitions here on the back. It's a bit more on the blue than the turquoise, but I think this definitely fits in the army. Fausto Palumbo. This was the Golden Demon winner. We paid 160 euros. I think we ordered a lot of miniatures from him. Oh, he's got his own brand with cool minis. So let's see. Okay. Oh, this is a cool business card. Let's see if we got some of them Tau though. Damn! God damn! Look at the micro scratches and the detail of the highlighting, like the edges here. Wow. Oh boy, this is amazing. It's even stippled in some like tiny textures in here. Micro scratches, wow. Ermagerd, this is good. This is good. Together with the Fireblade, I think this is my favorite, and he did 3 of them. Now I kind of want to keep the army for myself. Look at these bad boys. In the painting tutorial, I had these sept signs, or whatever it's called, in yellow, and he painted it gold, but it really fits, so I'm not complaining. It looks really good. It's gonna fit perfect with the army. And in here, what do we got? What do we got? We got a drone! This is good. Stippled texture and the micro scratches. That's some next level stuff. This is like an 11 out of 10. How are they gonna top this? I don't know. I feel sorry for the ones who's coming after this. We got Terz 1979, or Giada Fabiano as it's called. 50 euros for this. It was a low price, and I know he's good because we used him once before. I'm really excited to see what he's doing here. This is big. We paid 50 bucks for something huge and broken apparently. Damn you shipping companies sometimes. Okay, let's see the drones. Nice. Great work with the shading. Really captured like the dark turquoise. Creative to add sort of reds to the missiles or whatever it is. Really complements the turquoise, so that's nice. Oh, let's see here what we got. Oh no, it's an XV88 and it's partly broken. But damn, for 50 bucks. And the base is done an amazing base with slate on it. He went above and beyond. Unfortunately, it broke in a few places. I'm super happy with this. This was really good. Let's see, the last one, Compson Paints, 100 euros. Nicholas Blower is his name, but Compson Paints on Fiverr. Tiny food bag. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, he painted on ethereal. My God. We got some really cool NMM. Made it look reflective. That's really cool. The base is unique. Add some rocks. That's really nice. Look at the freehand here. Some really good stippled texture on the cloak. That's really cool. And this is such an old sculpt. It's resin, and yet he managed to give it a lot of details. So I'm super happy with this. Can't wait to give this away. So which one's my favorite? I have a few of them. I think the Abyssoul one, the old golden demon painter. That one was amazing, as well as the first one we opened, 40 bucks Fireblade. That was really, really, really cool. In the end, they all fit with the army, which is amazing. They all look really, really good. This is such a good addition to the whole idea of giving something amazing away. I just love making these videos. And if you did, and if you want more hobby videos, don't forget to subscribe. Remember that kitten. And if you want me to do more of these Fiverr videos, let me know in the comment section, because I enjoy making these so much. Don't forget to check out this week's sponsor. Yeah, about that sponsor again. Remember to check out my awesome merchandise, just a reminder. And it's thanks to my patrons that I'm able to take all of the sponsors' money and just put it into making these weird videos that I like making. And I still can take out a salary for making these videos, so huge, huge thanks to all of my patrons. If you want to pitch in a few dollars, you can do that with the link in the video description. If you've ever wondered about any of the tools that I use when I paint or record videos, I have all of that listed on my website, squidmar.com. And I guess with that said, have a great day. Bye everyone.